Guys, we're gonna tile yours here. And we're gonna make like they are like a princess.
And it's not a shark anymore.
Okay? So
but we need to close what is her teeth.
so I got 3 here. I let go this one, so now I'm gonna get it
And this,
in here, and then I'm gonna add more hair, and then I'm gonna get with my other hand and then let go. Then see, and then go get move over there. Then I'm gonna add more hair again. Okay, and just like that. Here. Just continue the same thing. There. Then I let go the other side. Now I'm gonna get it. So just do like that, same, until you're done. Can you turn around, baby? What? Okay, so sometimes it's quite tricky to do this when your girl is too shaky. Your girl head too shaky, or keep moving around. So here you go. So just to complete.
I'm moving around.
Yeah, I know. See? Okay, now we're gonna do it on the other side, just the same. Yes, then you're the princess.
I want to be a princess.
No, you don't want to be a princess now, huh? Just now you're asking, mommy, you want to be a princess, right? So we just do the same on the other side. Seems like that. Is it purple, baby? Seems like I make the other side more like bigger. Since I didn't have it right. Yeah. Come on, baby, so mommy can do it. So So there you go. I'm gonna really show you the actual. Seems like this one is pretty nice and easy how to tie your girl, your kids' hair. Like how I hold it like this, and then see, just leave it, and then I can do like this now in the lower part. Use the rubber band in your hand, baby. Let me get it. And so it looked like your hair was like Anna there. What would you think? Your hair is like Anna now?
No.
How mommy braided? So you're gonna get Anna.
Anna.
Where's Anna? Your book. Where's your... Yeah, I think it's... Oh my goodness. Oh, look.
Stop it in my choice.
Sorry?
Stop it in my choice.
Yeah.
Anna,
We cannot see Anna's hair anyway. Oh, it sounds like Anna is just only here, and then on below they didn't even um braid it anymore, right?
yes, it's pepper pig.
Yeah. So, and then where's your crown now? So you're gonna be like a princess. Where's your crown now, baby? Where did you put it? I'm gonna get it for you.
There, take it off. Take it off.
Okay.
Take it off. I see it already.
Oh, you saw it already. Okay. Next time we're gonna do the like out on our hair. So there you go then. Even just wearing a simple dress or some simple clothes, you can make her. You can make her a princess in your way. Okay, there you go one. Oh. So here,
I have to take it off.
you,
Myself.
oh sure you can do that, baby. Okay, so there you go. Say hi. Did I put it right in the middle?
Look, my hair.
So here, okay.
Please don't.
There you are, princess. Hi, princess. Like that. Are you princess now?
Yes.